What's up everyone, my name is Sim, here with another video. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the protein shake of the gods, the secrets to immortality. Super easy to make, especially when you're on the go. Simple ingredients, all you really need are some frozen blueberries. You can get a big bag from Costco, super delicious, nice and fresh, frozen, perfect for a protein shake. Next, some frozen strawberries. Again, get a nice big frozen bag from Costco, throw it in the freezer, store it, and it should be ready to go. So next up we have spinach. Make sure you go buy yourself a nice big bag of fresh spinach from Costco. Use it whatever you need for your meal preps. Whatever you have left over before it goes bad, throw it in a freezer bag and then throw in the freezer, and it's perfect for protein shakes. And to mix it all up, we have almond milk, and I got this big box from Costco. Super affordable, nice and cheap, super delicious, okay? And last but not least, the protein shake. Again, get the protein shake of your choice. If you're looking for a nice, high quality protein, check out my boy Key at Circle Nutrition over there at the Long Beach Traffic Circle. He has absolutely everything you'll need to make some gains, because Key's the man, all right? All right, so crucial component of this whole thing, you need a food scale. We're gonna be weighing out all of the ingredients, all right? So you need a food scale. Get yourself a food scale. And of course, to blend everything together, you're gonna need a blender. Man, this thing's bigger than me. Shit. All right, so get yourself a blender, Ninja, Vitamix. This is what we have, the Vitamix, and a shaker cup. Again, hit up my boy Key at Circle Nutrition, all right? Because Key's the man. Awesome, now that we talked about the ingredients, we talked about what we need to make the shake, let's talk about the amount of each ingredient, okay? So for my macros, how I like to make my shake is I'll have 50 grams of blueberries, 50 grams of strawberries, 100 grams of spinach, 200 grams of almond milk, and 70 grams of protein powder. All right, so the macros for that entire recipe is 58 grams of protein, 20 carbs, and 5 fats, if you just kind of round everything up, all right? So how did I figure that out? I have this app right here, My Macros Plus. I inputted all the ingredients. I don't know if you can see it, it didn't focus. Yeah, but here it is. Use the app, let it calculate everything out for you so you don't have to do it all by hand, okay? All right, enough talking. Let's grab everything out, let's weigh it out and make the protein shake of the gods. So before you go on to the next ingredient, make sure you tear it out. That means you're zeroing it out. Go and grab the next one. We have strawberries, need about 50 grams. And then tear it out again. Throw in the spinach. Load it up, we're almost there. Cool. Now the mixer, we have the almond milk, unsweetened, 200 grams. So as you can tell, the amount for each ingredient is super simple to remember, 50, 50, 100, 200. This way, I don't need to look at the app anymore. I can just memorize the amount. So that's why I chose the number I chose. Whatever macros that came out to, that's the macros I use to fit into my overall total macros for the day, okay? So before I put in the protein powder, I like to blend all of this first. Only because if you throw in the protein shake in and you blend it all together, the protein shake will foam up and you have this big sloppy mess, super high volume, super hard to drink. So if you blend everything up first, nice and hard, nice and fast. So if you blend everything up first and then throw the protein shake in, it's super smooth, super easy to drink, and super delicious, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna blend the ingredients up first. Turn it up. All right, since everything is frozen and we only have 200 grams of almond milk, you can go ahead and add a little bit of water just to break everything up, make sure everything blends up nicely. Hit that again. Whoops. Hit that again. today, blender. Not today.
Not today.
There we go. There we go. All right, so as you can see how well it blended. If you were to blend this whole thing with the protein powder in it, it would have foamed up. It would have aerated the drink so much that you would have this messy foam to drink. It's super horrible, super disgusting. So trust me, do it this way and your protein shake will come out so good, okay? So good. All right, so now light blend. Everything's already blended, everything's already crushed. It's a high power blender. So before you throw in the protein powder, light blend. Here's my 70 grams of protein powder. So as you can see, the protein shake is silky smooth, it's not aerated, it's not bubbly, it's not foamy. So this is why I do it this way, okay? Check it out, come have a look, come have a look. Look how smooth and shiny it is. And that's pretty much it. If you have time, go ahead and drink it out of the bowl. If not, and you're on the go, grab yourself a shaker cup, especially the one from Circle Nutrition, and pour it in, grab it, and go. Okay, so here it is. So that's why I chose the amount of ingredients I did, because it fills up one whole shaker cup, okay? So 50 grams of strawberries, 50 grams of blueberries, 100 grams of spinach, 200 grams of almond milk, 70 grams of protein powder, and a little bit of water. Perfection. So here it is, the protein shake of the gods, the secrets to immortality. This entire cup is what, 58 grams of protein, 20 carbs, and 5 fats. Again, super low in fats, moderate carbs, and high in proteins. If you have more macros to play with, like if you have more carbs to play with, go ahead and throw a whole banana in there to raise up that carb, or you can throw in some oatmeal, all right, just to bring those carbs up, okay? And it'll make your shake a little thicker too. With the banana, a little bit more sweeter. So yeah, that's if you have macros to play with, okay? Other than that, let's give this a taste test, all right? Taste that, taste that. So good, so good. Bruh. If you want to see more videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment below if you have any questions, and make sure you share it with someone who you think this video can help, okay? So stay consistent and let's keep making them gains.